Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change screen recording settings on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top of your smartphone to open the control center. Now from here, just tap and hold on the screen record button on your control center. Now if you cannot find the screen record button on your control center, just open your control center and tap on the edit button at the top right of your smartphone. Now from here, just drag the screen record button to your control center, just like that. And once you have added the screen record button to your control center, just go back and tap and hold on the screen record button. Now from here, you can find the screen recording settings. For an example, if you enable this option and if you start screen recording, your smartphone will record the system audio on your screen recording. And if you enable this option, your smartphone will start recording from the microphone on your smartphone while you are screen recording. Now, if you tap on picture quality, you will get two options. You will get the option of high and you have the option for low. If you select high, your screen recording's quality will be much better. And if you enable this toggle, your smartphone will enable do not disturb mode while you are screen recording. And this is how you can change the screen recording settings on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.